Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Tuesday, September 15th, 2009. No turnaround Tuesday, no reversal in the stock market, that's for sure. Whew. Dollar index, I guess you could say, did reverse, certainly from a turnaround Tuesday standpoint. But I don't know. I'll tell you, we're trying to rally here. We're trying to rally. Certainly closing below the 76.50 is not good, as we said. But I'm not so convinced. You know, take a look at this hourly chart. I usually don't do the hourly charts for you, but, it just looks like we're at the bottom. At the bottom of this range, we'll probably bounce. The EMA's crossed, yes, but, I think we probably have a little bounce maybe tonight. What's obvious is when they bounce, when the dollar bounces in Asia and Europe, what continues to happen in the U.S. session is the dollar sells off. Stock market rallies. And I think, when we finally get the reversal, we're going to have dollar down in Asia, Europe, and we get a U.S. reversal. That's what I guess we got to look for. But I think with the futures, pretty much, taking a look at this dollar index, it's getting so oversold. And it's hanging in there. Yes, it's broken. It keeps trying to rally. Yes, it's broken. But it just seems like this is all coming to an end. Look at down here. You had a couple of those wicks all over the place also. Everything's different times, different things. Taking a look at the S&P. These are the monthly charts I wanted you to see. Notice again, there's big resistance right here, in my opinion. Big resistance in this level. That's right, 1060. But certainly, just gives you an idea for this climb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 freaking months. I want to go back to here. Can we go back to here? This was fun. This isn't fun. If we would have pulled back, like here, back 4 months ago, we would have pulled back down to 800 in the S&P and then rallied, that, to me, I would have done much better. Then it would have been a tremendous year. But, this, just, how do you buy into this? Anyway, sorry. It's nuts. The stock market's never coming down. Never. Gold, oil. Oil to me looks, this is the monthly chart, so it gives you a different perspective. Oil still looks very top. Listen, we got to get through 70. We get through 77. We take out this last monthly high, we're gone. We probably go up to 90. Fast. So, but we, really hitting this wall. Now this one looks a lot different. Unless we reverse and come back into the fold here, but this is gone. This we're up. We're at 1010, 1008. It says 1001. I don't know why. That was yesterday. So this looks good. Gold's really this monthly move is huge. We got a long way to go. Still have a very long way to go before the month's over. So bears watching. If we reverse on the monthly, then we got him in the dollar and the whole thing. Now again, euro dollar. Let's take a look at that hourly chart like I was telling you about. Same thing with the dollar index. It's just at the top of the channel. I don't know. We're shorted. Hopefully you got my twit. We're short. I'm hoping, listen, maybe we come in here. Certainly an ascending triangle, wedging, whatever you want to call it, certainly looks, again, to me this looks very bullish, but I've noticed these patterns are not high probability. We can easily roll over. But again, if the dollar rallies in Asia and Europe and we pull back down to 146, you got to get long. And then we go up and we probably take out 147. We go for 147. This daily looks awesome. How can I lie? Lie. I don't lie about charts, but just saying, I'm going to tell you this looks bad just because it's overbought. Bullish to the moon. Now, not to say, look, over here, had a big up day, went up a little higher and then came in. We just keep going higher, grinding higher. Love to tell you it's a top, but it just looks like it's going up. It's not over yet, is all I'm saying. Dollar yen looks like a nice short to me. I think dollar yen in Asia should be a nice short. Nice shooting star there. Nice reversal. Hourly chart cross to the downside in the EMAs. We take out today's low at 90.77. It's going to look awesome to the downside. Cable. This is the most beautiful head and shoulders you've ever seen. I know it's not perfect, and the reason why I'm not so I know I said it's the best I've ever seen, but you know what I'm saying? This scares me. It's not if it would have come down to 160, it'd be a perfect neckline. Now it's ascending, so it makes me a little more nervous. But um, if the dollar really gets legs, and if the dollar really, sells off, this baby could play catch up, big time. We ever go for these levels? We ever go for 67? I believe it's gone. To the moon. And that would be obviously Euro 150, type call. But with Euro sterling acting the way it is, this baby, broken. This is all broken, busted. SOS, sell on strength, baby. Again, I didn't do that, did I? If you have any questions about going premium, feel free to email me. Kicking butt, baby. Email info@globalfxradio.com. My radio, globalfxradio.com. You can check out more about premium there. Dollar Swiss, I'm not doing. Aussie dollar, just a tough call. Look at this Aussie. If anyone told you, I can't believe anyone's been able to really, truly predict these moves. Right, sure. Reversal. Down, up. End of the day. Down, up. Come on. We bought the pullback last night. I left a lot on the table with this baby. Pound Aussie. Woo! Thank goodness for that 100-pip bounce last night in Pound Aussie. Got the hell out of that. But this Aussie dollar just looks like it wants to go. Look, we're closing above previous day high. It should be bullish. We should probably get up to 87, maybe 80, grinding higher. Look, we made new highs here. Grinded higher, reversal maybe tomorrow. Again, I think when they launch them in Asia, same thing with the New Zealand. When they launch them in Asia, I think that's when that's it. This one looks pretty good. This one really could go. Certainly a 71.10. I think you got to buy on pullback. Same thing. Let's look at the carry trade levels. Euro sterling gone with the wind. I thought it's like the wind. Can't I say gone like the wind? Sounds so much better. Gone like the wind. To the moon, Alice. To the freaking moon. Although I'll tell you, claiming count tonight, I think we could reverse. I think if this baby gets going more, I think it reverses nicely. Oof, a breakout. Stayed away from it. Stayed away. But I think we are coming up to some nice resistance here in Euro sterling. Again, cable. Relative strength, loser across the board. Euro sterling, pound Aussie, pound yen, pound dollar. And look what's going on. Something's got to give. Euro yen, love it to the downside. Can't rally. I don't think it's going to break out through here. I think it's a great short tonight. I think we reverse. We come down to 33 easy. Question is, do we take our previous day low? Probably not. Probably not. But for a trade tonight, 50 pips probably come in. Never know. Top of the channel to you. If S&Ps are down nicely, could easily come in. But closing very strong again. But I don't believe. I think this move's got to come to an end. Dollar yen looks weak. Euro dollar, again, in Asia at least. Remember, these are all like Asian calls. My calls been better in Asia. Asia, look at this. Sterling yen busted. This baby's not done. Did not close good. Outside day. Took out previous day high. Took out previous day low. Sterling yen looks terrible. This thing is rolling over. You even see the wedge too? Look at the wedge. Bang. It's not a perfect wedge, but it's a wedge. In my opinion. Look at the head and shoulders there. This thing is gone. This thing goes down to 140 easy down here. Yeah, about 400 more pips. 300 more pips. Looks terrible. Aussie yen, that one looks a little different, doesn't it? Again, Euro yen, Aussie yen, all these look different. Probably go up a little higher tonight, but maybe 79, perfect spot. Bang, zoom, thank you very much. Maybe only go up another 10 pips. I like this trade. And Euro yen also. Luna yen, try to bust out. Take a look at that trade. But again, top of the channel to you. Stock market topping out, I think. Wouldn't you think if the stock market is going up like this, these things would be ripping, right? They're not. I think our market's telling the stock market it's coming to an end. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, info, globalfxradio.com, the only voice who truly, I enjoy making you money. I give you so much for free. Have a good night. Later.